Hello everyone, Abhishek Patel side. I welcome you in the very new video of Nirvana Trading Academy. So this video will be in both languages, Hindi and English. Moreover, the masterclass is available in both languages, Hindi and English, right guys? So this is my today's one and only trade, that is 23100 PE. चलो अब हम बात करते हैं इसके रीजन के बारे में. That what was the reason why I punched the order in this particular strike price at on this time. Now please see the timing. That's 12:24 candle close. Now if you will see the price, that is 113.70 when I punched my order. And now let's see the exit order. That is 132.90 at the time of 12:28:51 seconds. Now let's come to the options chart, right? So we are on the 23100 PE. If you will see, this is the candle close in which I put my entry. अभी कुछ लोग बोलेंगे सर यहाँ क्यों नहीं या फिर और कहीं क्यों नहीं हमने हमारा एंट्री लेट्स से एग्जीक्यूट किया. नाउ द आंसर लाइज इन दिस चार्ट. Let me just show you the reason why I punched my order. First of all, if you will see, this is downside impulse, right guys? We took an impulse and this is downside impulse as per the advanced Fibonacci, right guys? Now see, अभी प्राइस हमारे सेकंड रिट्रेसमेंट डाउनसाइड इंपल्स का सेकंड रिट्रेसमेंट जब भी ब्रेक होता है, व्हेनेवर द डाउनसाइड इंपल्स सेकंड रिट्रेसमेंट इज ब्रोकन मींस द डाउन ट्रेंड इज ओवर इन द पार्टिकुलर स्क्रिप्ट. अभी यहाँ पे डाउन ट्रेंड खत्म था, हमने यहाँ हमारा एंट्री बनाया, ठीक है, एज पर द स्पॉट चार्ट. We took the ITM, I can say, and moreover we are having the custom indicator consent and our secret oscillator consent. That is why I took the entry, because custom indicator का मैं आपको consent यहाँ दिखा दूँ. We are having the custom indicator consent itself. Now from this area to this area, ये हमारा हाई है, ऑप्शंस का हाई है, जहाँ पे हमने हमारे ऑर्डर को बुक किया. दैट्स ऑल गाइस. नाउ लेट मी शो यू द प्रॉफिट ऑफ माय स्टूडेंट एंड इट इज द सेम ट्रेड. Please don't look at the profit, please don't look at the quantity, just look at the I can say process. Entered at 115 and executed the sell order at 128, right? It is one of my student Lavin's profit, right? So I'm very happy for everyone. So what I want to say is, if you want to learn this beautiful advanced price action strategy, you can simply WhatsApp us and we are, let's say, intent to just teach you in the very most I can say professional and systematical manner. Thank you so much. Jai Siya Ram.